What's going on, mother truckers? Man, I am so proud of another mother trucker, Admir. Man, thank you so much. You saw this debris on the road and you stopped and you called the authorities and you got someone there to help out this man in need. Now, the situation in hand is he sees all this debris and then he sees this Estes truck and he sees this other truck that's just the cab is dismantled and the driver still inside.
What is shit? Hey, you want water or something?
He has water already.
You got water?
Do not know all the details and what mile marker and where exactly this is at, but as Admir was filming, this state trooper was just having an attitude and just trying to kick him off of the site while he was just documenting. And so if you guys could tell right here of what this uniform is, then maybe we could get a better idea of where this was.
What are we looking at for injuries? You know? Are you co-driver?
No, I'm not. I just stopped when I saw all the debris on the road. I'm just another driver.
And
I stopped.
And you're filming this?
Yeah.
Why?
Why not?
Get out of here. You got no reason to be here.
Why get out of here?
You have no reason to be here. Go. Get out of here now. You have no reason to be here. Go.
What's your name in bedroom?
Cole Gibbons, 130. Get the hell out of here.
130?
Go. Yeah, get out of here.
Okay, I got you.
Go. Bye.
I got you.
Go.
You're welcome. Give this man his flashlight.
I will.
Give this man his flashlight. Give this man his flashlight. What's your plate number?
971. You have no reason to be here.
Hold on,
Why are you here?
You guys
Why are you here?
contact me. What's your name?
Whose flashlight is this?
You're welcome. I'm trying to help a fellow driver over here.
Okay, but you're filming this.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
That shows me how much you guys care.
Goodbye.
Yeah, right. Go help the poor man.
But I'll be searching for articles as well. But check out this raw footage. This truck driver seems to be okay, but I could tell that he's not all there. Admir asked him if he needed any water, and he reaches to the side to try to give Admir water. And, you know, so he's definitely in shock.
Yeah.
The only thing he wants us to do is move that shit from him.
Yeah, we can't.
No, we can't do that.
Oh, okay. No, I don't want it. I thought you needed some. I would get you.
No, he's fine. He's just obviously in a lot of pain.
Yeah. Of course he is. Look at he's pinned in there, man.
The entire thing is wrapped around.
Yeah.
Where is it? What?
He's fucking coming already. Trying to throw all this shit off the road. All this debris, man. You're okay. They're gonna be here in a minute. Right there.
From what I understand, his foot is the main problem.
Yeah. There you go. I believe this fucking thing didn't start on fire, man.
Genuine surprise. The thing is, I felt something hit me, but I have no idea what happened. Do you think I could have done that? Like he ran into me?
What was you on what lane were you in?
I was in this one.
Who was in
The inside one.
lower lane?
I have no idea
What
what
the hell?
happened.
Maybe he was trying to pass her on the shoulder or something.
I have no idea. let's go.
Overall, mother truckers, all I have to say is if you definitely see a truck driver in need, pull over and try your best to help a truck driver out with whatever you can. Also, we don't know the full details here, so I'm not going to make assumptions, but definitely I'm sure someone was distracted driving or something. If it was a medical condition, we will get more details as it comes, but definitely, mother truckers, be safe out there. And Admir, thank you so much for being a mother trucker, man. That's awesome.